please rise for the pledge to the flag.
And I'm Nevaeh Whitman.
Coming up tonight is King of Hearts movie night at the Allen Theater. We'll take a peek at the movie trailer.
Also, the bowling team made school history last night. We'll tell you why.
We'll be right back with all this and your school news. In class news, seniors, if you are attending any post-secondary school next year, consider applying for the CLEA Senior Grant. Several $1,500 awards will be given to deserving seniors. Applications are available in the guidance office. Juniors, you should sign up for the March 9th SAT this week. The deadline is Friday. If you qualify for a fee waiver, stop in the counseling office. Course selection forms are due soon, and the counseling office is open late after school today to help students get their schedules figured out for next year. Tonight, the office will be open until 7 p.m., and it will also be open tomorrow. Stop by the counseling office to sign up for an after-hour appointment.
In club news, the PEP Club meeting for today will be for officers only. Next Friday, February 15th, FBLA is hosting its final blood drive of the year. If you're at least 16 years old and weigh a minimum of 110 pounds, stop by room 809 to sign up for your appointment and to donate blood to help save up to 3 lives. You only have 3 more days to send someone you care about flowers for Valentine's Day. Carnations are $2 each and come in red, pink, and white. All money goes towards Minithon, and they will be delivered on Valentine's Day during homeroom. Buy them before homeroom in the 200 hallway until Friday.
In school news, if interested in lifeguard certification, registration forms are in the high school office, at the reception desk, or outside the pool on the bulletin board. Forms must be completed by February 14th.
King of Hearts members Viraj Gavani and Carter Bucks are hosting a movie night at the Allen Theater tonight. They will be screening The Meg.
We'll be back with the final King of Hearts court update and more information about tonight's movie night after a look at the movie trailer.
Megalodon.
Massive prehistoric killer machines.
What you discovered is bigger than we ever thought possible. I'm gonna make this thing bleed.
The Meg, rated PG-13. Experience it in IMAX August 10th.
Say four.
The movie starts at 4, and the Allen Theater and all ticket and food sales get donated to the King of Hearts and the American Heart Association.
It sounds like it really will be a fun night.
The final King of Hearts update before Student Council reveals how much the boys have raised for the American Heart Association at the pep rally on Friday.
Adam Brightbill is in first place, followed by Viraj Govani and Logan Horn. Make your final donations today.
In sports news, the bowling team rolled to their first Section 1 championship last night with a decisive victory over Warwick. The varsity team rolled in a team high, 1193, so each team member averaged a score of 239.
It was also senior night, so what a great night to win the section.
The Falcons were led by junior Colby Bennett, who rolled a 290 in one game. Almost perfect. Senior Scott Garrett, junior Paige Boyd, sophomore Jadalyn Swisher, freshman Darren Zombro III, and senior Reese Loudwick made this varsity debut with a 192 game.
After the victory, Coach Wagner told the team, "Teamwork makes the dream work." Congratulations.
Over the weekend, the boys bowling team also won the Lancaster Lebanon Baker Team Tournament. The team has entered the 4 tournaments this season and earned the title all 4 times. The girls' team finished in 4th place.
Way to go, Falcon Bowlers.
Students interested in joining the track and field teams. If you missed the track and field call-out meeting, you must pick up the mandatory paperwork from Coach Risser in room 112 or Coach Wagner in room 206 as soon as possible.
The following students, please report to the nurse's office following the morning announcements. Monica Bell,
Madison Boyer,
Maggie Cantrell,
Madison Hopple,
Madison Garrett,
Kyle coaster.
And Kevin Warner.
That's all for your morning announcements today. I'm Nevaeh Whitman.
And I'm Hannah Shirey. Make it a great day, Cedar Crest.